Ladies and gentlemen, today we also bring you a new, the most amazing the AI speaker, the SoundX. The Huawei SoundX, you co-engineered with DVLA. This design is winning the IF Design Award. And this material, we are using the NCVM process, the laser curved touch key. It's amazing, refined and elegant design. And also we have the visible, stunning shake base. We can give the perfect combination of the sound efficiency and the structured dust-proofing woofer, the best woofer inside. Okay, on this, you can see the NFC label on that. That's a very interesting function for the NFC in working with the smartphone. Later I will make an introduction. They also have the seamless mesh fabric on the bottom side. It's spill and stainless and stain resistant. This is co-engineered with DVLA. They are very leading and powerful on the acoustic the sound system. The DVLA certified dual-woofer. The maximum 144 watt peak power value is amazing. And the sound can the deep bass can deep to 40 hertz. Unbelievable, 40 hertz. Really amazing sound. And the amplitude of this this woofer can be even achieved to 20 millimeters. Amazing. This is DVLA's leading technologies. You can see the powerful bass. This push-push acoustic design, you can achieve the 93 dB SPL sound pressure level. The 2 times stronger than the other. It can bring you 360-degree surround sound with these 6 full-range speakers. Amazing, amazing sound. And also bring you high-resolution audio. The high frequency extended to 40 kilohertz. More rich tremble details you can hear. And working with Huawei Share for easy and enjoyable and for control, for connectivity.
Hi, Jason. How are you?
Girls, it's Grandma.
Hey, kiddos.
Hi, Grandma.
The Huawei Share working with make the Huawei SoundX working with the Huawei smartphone, bring you more convenience and better experience. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei SoundX, the most powerful sound AI speaker. But today, the AI in more and more countries will launch our AI assistant. So in the beginning, you can be using this for the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth speaker. But in future, with our new software upgrade, you can make it as AI speaker. We have leading the powerful technology on sound, SAM and push-push technology from DVLA, bring you the best sound, best 360-degree surround sound, and high-resolution audio, and also the Huawei Share capability, bring you easy, enjoyable control. Today,